Hello guys and welcome to Motoroids. This is Anand Pandey and what we have right ahead of us is the anniversary edition of the Highness CB350. Now talking about Honda at India Bike Week 2021, it is proving to be quite a remarkable event for the Japanese manufacturer as they have not only launched the anniversary editions of the Highness CB350, they have also revealed the CB3 radar, the PS6 iteration. Now coming back to the Highness CB350, Honda mentioned it that around 300 bikers from all over India have arrived riding on the CB350. So yes, they have sold quite a lot of these motorcycles, and now that they have completed 1 year of their presence in India, they have launched this anniversary edition of the Highness CB350. Now talking about the pricing point of the Highness CB350, it has been priced at around 2.03 lakh at showroom, and it has received quite some visual changes to set it apart from the standard variants of the motorcycle. Coming to the aesthetic changes, the cosmetic differences that it has received, we get to see the Honda badging on the tank is now finished in golden accents, as well as the Highness CB350 badging as well. Now apart from these golden accents splattered all across the bodywork, we also get to see an anniversary edition emblem right here, stickering right here on the fuel tank, so you know that you are riding something special and it is not just another CB350. Apart from the golden accents and the anniversary badging on the tank, it has also received this tan colored split seat as a part of the anniversary package. Now that is all about the changes that the Highness CB350 has received. Apart from these visual changes, it remains exactly the same. So the engine is the same, the suspension is the same, the braking is the same, as well as the overall the whole motorcycle remain unchanged mechanically. Now Honda has just launched the anniversary edition of the Highness CB350, but they haven't launched the anniversary edition of the CB350 RS. Now RS, as we get to see here, is a scrambler version of the Highness CB350. So if you are a retro bike fan, the Highness CB350 will appeal to you more as compared to the CB350 RS that is standing right over there. Now these are all about the changes. Let's take a good look at all the other visual elements of the motorcycle. So you get a single pod instrument cluster up front with an analog speedometer and a small LCD display up front. And the switchgear quality, as you can see here, is pretty decent for the amount it asks for. And we expect Honda to give premium build quality to their motorcycles, and the Highness CB350 doesn't disappoint in that department. Now Honda hasn't mentioned that how many limited edition numbers they will be selling, but we can expect them to release this information soon, so stay tuned for that update. This is all. So this is the Highness CB350 anniversary edition from Honda that has been launched at India Bike Week. We have a lot of interesting stuff coming your way, so stay tuned, like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more such interesting content.